Hey everybody, Stephen Amaya here with AG Real Estate. I'm here with Brian Decker. We're in his hometown, Temecula. Tell us a little bit about this place.
Yeah, this is Old Town Temecula. This place has changed like crazy. I've been here for 25, 26 years. This used to be nothing but antiques and a country bar. They completely redid it. We're at Public House right now. Super cool gastro pub, amazing food, legit cocktails. We're gonna sit there and kind of see some of them. What are they gonna be making for us today, Stephen?
I believe it's a whiskey cocktail.
Awesome, that sounds great. Let's go check it out.
Hey guys, my name's Dan down here at Public House in Temecula, California. Today we're gonna make for you our public policy. It's pretty much a spin on an old fashioned. So I'm gonna get started and show you how to make this. So first you're gonna wanna heat up your plank, smoke the glass. It's gonna draw out some of the oak flavors of the bourbon. Place the glass directly over it. At that point, you can kind of start throwing your ingredients in here. You're gonna do 1 Luxardo Cherry cube, your orange slice, sugar cube. You can do 2 to 3 dashes of bitters depending on what you like. We use 2 here. So 1, 2. You're gonna need some kind of muddler. You're gonna muddle up all these ingredients in your tin. Like so. If you feel like you have a good mash that looks like that, it's gonna be 2 ounces of bourbon. Dump that in your tin. At that point, you can add ice. You don't need a whole bunch of ice, just a little bit to kind of stir up the cocktail with. Probably want to give it like 30 revolutions around to stir everything up together. Now at this point you can pull your glass out. It should be nice and smoked. You can smell that in there. Drop your big cube in, your mesh strainer, pour in your cocktail, kind of tap all that extra through. And then I think this is an important part, most people don't. You want to get like an orange swath, a really good one, and then you can kind of dress the cube and the drink with it. You're kind of spraying all the oils of the swath out of there. You can kind of rub it around the top. It's going to be heavy citrus on the nose. 1 more Luxardo Cherry in there. Kind of give everything one last stir. And then that's your cocktail. And that's the public policy here at Public House, Temecula, California.